Want to know the secret to being productive? It's not buying more planners, downloading more apps, or working 18-hour days. Nope. The real secret is doing less. That's right, less stuff, less clutter, less chaos. If your life feels like a never-ending game of Jenga, stick around. I'm about to show you how minimalism can make you more productive than a caffeinated squirrel on a deadline. Meet Max. Max is a nice guy, but his life is a mess. His desk looks like a tornado hit it, his inbox has 4,327 unread emails, and he can never find his keys. Sound familiar? Max thought the solution was to do more organizing, more multitasking, more caffeine. But the harder he worked, the more overwhelmed he felt. One day, Max had enough. He stumbled across a video about minimalism and decided to give it a shot. He started small, clearing his desk, deleting old emails, and saying no to things that didn't matter. And guess what? His productivity skyrocketed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Max transformed his chaotic life into a streamlined productivity machine. Let's dive in. Here's the brutal truth no one tells you. Clutter is productivity kryptonite. Every time you look at a messy desk or an overflowing inbox, your brain goes into panic mode. It's like trying to focus while a toddler screams in your ear. Minimalism isn't about living in a white, empty box or owning only 3 pairs of socks. It's about removing the distractions so you can focus on what actually matters. When Max embraced minimalism, he didn't just clean his desk, he cleared his mind. And that's when the magic happened. Here's how Max used minimalism to boost his productivity in 3 simple steps. 1. The 5-minute declutter rule. Every day, spend 5 minutes decluttering one area, your desk, your inbox, or even your phone. Start small, and watch the magic happen. 2. The 80-20 rule for stuff. Max realized that 80% of his productivity came from 20% of his tools and tasks. He ditched the apps he never used, the clothes he never wore, and the tasks that didn't matter. 3. Say no to the noise. Max stopped saying yes to everything. He set boundaries, turned off notifications, and focused on what truly mattered. By following these steps, Max went from chaos to clarity, and you can too. So, are you ready to ditch the clutter and boost your productivity? Start with one small step today. Clear your desk, delete those old emails, or say no to something that doesn't matter. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to try first. And if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed and want more life-changing tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make your life simpler and more productive together. Remember, less is more. Now go declutter your life and watch your productivity soar.